different phases. So the growth curve is a plot against the time and log time and growth. Plot the graph time and log pace. Time and log pace. So in here we observe that log and time. So in here total four paces are there. Total four paces are there. Right. So log versus time. So in here so total four paces are there. This one is the A and B, C and D paces are there. So the the growth curve is that plot the graph against log and time, and it gives the bacteria, it gives the four paces A, B, C, D paces. So in here first we discuss about the what is the A. So the A pace A is nothing like that. The pace A and the lag pace A is the lag pace, and pace B log pace, log pace, and C stationary pace, stationary pace, and D is the decline place or death place, death or decline decline pace. So this total in observe the growth curve, it is a totally four paces are there: A, B, C, D, log pace, lag pace, stationary pace, death or decline pace. So in here in this growth curve, in the growth curve, when the bacteria starts growing in the well growing in the bacteria is well growing in the liquid medium. The bacteria will grow in the liquid medium, and the next one, it increases the number of cells. It increases the number of cells in the liquid medium, and as well as a number of cells, and as well as increase the growth curve. Increase the growth curve. Increase the growth curve is obtained. It consisting the four phases. The bacteria is well growing under liquid medium, increases the number of cells. Yet that condition we observe the growth curve of bacteria. In here total four phases are observed. So first we discuss about the lag phase. So what is the lag phase? The lag phase is the first stage of the growth of the bacteria. And the next one, this is the duration between the inoculation and being multiplication. In here multiplication of bacteria in this lag phase. And the next one, then the next one, during this period is the number of cells or cell division. The cells are going to division. One cell is divided into two cells, two cells divided into four cells, four cells divided into eight cells. So in the lag phase, multiplication of the cells and as well as the cell division will be occurred in the only lag phase. So the next one, the bacteria first adapt themselves the new medium. So the bacteria first adapt the new medium. In medium it containing the nutrients, and the next one, chemical nutrients, physical nutrients, and the environmental nutrients are all are presented in the medium. So the bacteria first adapt to the new medium, and the next one, in this lag phase, the bacteria well grow. In this first lag phase, bacteria is well grow and well grow, and the next one, grow in size and store nutrients. Size and store nutrients. Size and store nutrients, growing of the size and as well as the cell nutrients. And the next one, some enzyme also participated here. Some enzymes also participated for the increasing of the cells, are involved in the cell division. Involved in the cell division. In this length of this phase depend on the type of organism, inoculum size, nature of the culture, and etc etc. So when viewed under microscope, bacteria show a these in the lag phase, the bacteria observed under electron microscope. Electron microscope. Under electron microscope, the bacteria is appears like a maximum size appears the maximum size at the end of the lag phase. At the end of the lag phase, they observe the bacteria culture under microscope. It gives the a maximum size. So this is the lag phase. Up to here is the lag phase. And the next one we discuss about the log phase. So name B is the log phase. So what is the log phase? The log phase is the second phase of the growth curve of the bacteria. The second phase of the growth curve of the bacteria. And in here the phases that represents the most active state in the cells. In this state the cells are the most active state. And the next one, the cells are divided into constant rate, and there the number increases by the genomic progression with the time. In here the cell divided at the constant rate increases. In here constant rate of cells constant rate of cells are increases in the log phase. And the next one is the log of the number of cells is plotted against the time. A straight line is observed in here against the log and time. Against in here it gives a straight line is here, and increases the time, and as well as the increases the cell division also in the log phase only. But in here in the lag phase there is no chance for the increasing of the cell numbers. In here the same state will be observed. The time is increases, but there is no chance for the cell growing. But in the log phase cell growing increases as well as the time also increases. So that is the main difference between lag phase and log phase. And the next one, under the log phase, at the log phase the cells are observed microscope under microscope. It appears a smaller and stain formation. It appears a smaller and a stain formation. A stain culture is a formation under micro. But in here a maximum size is appears, but is a smaller size is appears in the log phase. The next one phase is the third one C. Phase C is nothing like a stationary phase. So what is the stationary phase? So in here stationary phase we observe the stationary phase. So what is the importance of the stationary phase, and what is the importance of the stationary phase? So here lag phase and stationary phase both are same. Lag phase and stationary phase is the same. Why? Because of in here there is no chance for the growing of the cell division. Here also there is no chance for the growing of the cell division. But what is the difference between these two? So in here in the stationary phase, after few days the rate multiplication is decreases. In the stationary phase decreases the multiplication. Here multiplication is occurs at the ending of the lag phase, but here decreases the multiplication. And the next one due why? Because of decreases the which purpose the decreases the multiplication means decreases the nutrient concentration also decreases in the stationary phase. And the next one, this phase is the multiplication stops and number of viable cells are and stationary cells are identified. Here in the stationary phase maximum number of cells are identified in the stationary phase. Only stationary phase number of cells are identified. Maximum cells are identified only stationary phase. So not on in the log phase there is no chance for the identification of the number of cells. Why? It is the peak level of the growth. It is a peak concentration cells. peak concentration cell of the growth of the bacteria, the stationary phase. And the next one, in here the cell exhibited variable Gram reaction and stained irregularly. So in the stationary phase only identify the disease status. The disease status only identified at the stationary phase only. So the next one, the diseases also produced in the stationary phase. The diseases also produce toxic levels also produced in the only stationary phase. Why? Because of all cells are well grow at the stationary phase. At the stationary phase only. The next one, D is the death or decline phase. Death or decline phase. So what is the death and what is the decline phase? So in this phase, due to the exhaustion of the nutrients and the communication of toxic products, the cell division completely stop. The cell division is a completely stop. Why? There is no chance for the nutrients are absent, completely absence of the nutrients in the particular growth of the bacteria, and presence of the autolytic enzymes also calls the cell death. So presence of the autolytic enzymes are presented in the body. It one is also decreases the cell count. It leads to the decline or death. The next one, evaluation of the form commonly seen in this phase. So in here decreases the disease status, and the next one, toxic levels also decreases in the decline phase. So this is about growth curve. So the growth curve is the growth microorganisms and bacteria well grow in the liquid medium, and increases the number of cells. So increases the number of cells, and as well as the growth curve is identified by the four phases: lag phase, log phase, LAG, lag phase and log phase, stationary phase, decline phase. In the lag phase is the starting of the cell growth, and multiplication is occurs. Cell division is starts from the lag phase, and the next one, it increases the number of cells, and the next one, maximum size is observed under microscope in the lag phase. And log phase is the most active. Cells are most active in the which phase? Log phase only. And the next one, increases the number of cells also in the lag phase. And the next one, in the log phase, identify the growth medium under microscope. It gives a small size and stain occur in the log phase. Stationary phase means decreases the multiplication, and the next one, decreases the nutrient concentration also. That's why multiplication is decreases, and number of cells are identified only stationary phase. It is the peak concentration of the cell division. In this condition, identify the diseases and toxic levels. Any stains are identified only stationary phase. The next one, decline phase. In the decline phase, cell division is completely stopping, and death will be occurred without the nutrition. That's why without nutrition there is no chance for the growing of the microorganisms. So that is the importance of the stationary phase. The next one is importance of the stationary phase. The next one, decline phase, is the cell division is completed decreases, and toxic levels also decreases. Death will be occurred in the decline phase. So this is the growth curve. Take the graph between log and time. It gives the four phases: lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and decline phase. So this is about growth curve. Any doubts, ma?